Today I'm going to demonstrate how to attach yarn to a stitch. So I'm going to take this red yarn, I'm going to make a slip knot, I'm going to stick my yarn on my hook, and then I'm going to insert my hook into the stitch that I want to attach to. I'm going to yarn over with the side of the yarn that's attached to the skein and not the yarn tail side, pull up and pull through to make a slip stitch. I'm going to chain one, and then the first stitch of the row should be worked into the same stitch that you attached the yarn to. That is how I attach the yarn the vast majority of the time. It is a little bit messy because you have the slip stitch to attach and the chain one here. Generally, I don't notice it in my finished work. You probably won't notice it in your finished work, but if you would prefer, there is another way to attach the yarn, particularly with a single crochet. So if I have that slip knot on my hook and I insert my hook into the stitch that I'm attaching the yarn to, I can complete the first stitch into that stitch. Yarn over, pull up, yarn over, pull through. This creates a single crochet. That is the first stitch into this stitch. It's not chain one and then start the first stitch. This would be the first stitch. This can get a little bit tricky because the tension of this stitch can be difficult to keep even. So when you come back around to it, this might be a looser stitch or a tighter stitch than the rest of your stitches. So I would categorize this as a higher level of difficulty than just slip stitching to attach, chaining one, and then beginning your work into that stitch that you attached to. I wouldn't recommend this unless you're very familiar with crocheting and are comfortable experimenting with this kind of attachment method. So again, I will create a slip knot. I will insert my hook into the stitch I want to attach the yarn to, yarn over, pull up, pull through. That's a slip stitch. I'll chain one, and then I'll start my row into the same stitch that I attached the yarn to. That's what I would recommend. I hope that helps.